how to sign up in VK in computer. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your browser in your computer. After that, in the search bar, you have to click in search for vk.com. After that, you have to simply enter. After entering, you will be able to see this interface. So you can also make your VK ID in your mobile device. If you have already made your account in mobile device, then you can simply scan over here and log in into your laptop. But we are looking for signing up in computer. You have to simply go for sign up option, which is in the green color in the right hand side. So here you have to enter your phone number. In order to verify your phone number, you will receive a call from a unique number. So you have to simply receive the call and you have to enter the last digit of the phone number. After entering, you have to simply click on continue. So here you have to enter your information. So that includes your first name, last name, your birthday and your gender. After entering your name, you have to enter your birthday over here. After that, you have to select your gender. You can simply click on drop down sign in the right hand side, and from here you can select your gender. After that, you have to simply click on continue. After that, you have to enter your password over here. It means you have to create your password. After entering your password, you have to simply click on continue. So here a contact information has been displayed. So it is said that your friends can find you more easily if you enter your information about yourself. So if you want your friends to find you, then you can enter your city. But if you don't want it, then you can simply click on specify letter option over here. Or you can also enter your city by simply clicking on it and entering your city. After that, you can select your university over here. After that, you have to select your faculty, and here you can select your study program. You can also select your graduation year. After that, you can simply click on continue. So here you have to enter your email address. Be informed that the email address that you have entered here will be private. After that, you have to simply click on continue. For confirming this section, you have to simply click on call option over here. After that, you'll be able to receive call in your mobile phone. After entering, you have to simply click on confirm. And finally, your VK account has been created. So you can see your profile information and other features in the left hand side, and here you can see the news, photos, videos, podcasts and many more. You can also scroll the feeds and look for it. So by following this simple step, you can create your account in VK. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.